I'm Dania Buchanan, co-founder and president here at SmartVault. We're thrilled to have been selected by Intuit back in 2014 to be their integrated document management and client portal partner for Lacerte and ProSeries. Our teams have been working together this year to get an integration into market for our ProConnect customers. What this partnership means for accountants is the delivery of a highly efficient, but more importantly, a highly secure end-to-end document workflow. From automating document collection and preparation through to the printing and auto routing of that tax return from the tax prep software to SmartVault's DMS, to a portal where a client can easily access and electronically sign the documents, all the way through to storing the documents, the source files, the final return, and the firm's working papers. All of the documents associated with that engagement stored securely in an integrated document management system that can be accessed by both firm and client. Today, firms of all sizes really have a duty of care requirement around the security of their clients' information. This has been mandated by IRS Publication 4557 and FTC Safeguards Rule. Having those rigorous data security requirements really means that an integrated, secure document management system is core in today's accounting tech stack. Workflow efficiency and data security really do sit at the heart of the value that Intuit and SmartVault both stand behind with these supported integrations. We hope you'll check it out.